haven't seen him lately. He's always on the run. He looks so really trendy, his shades and the boots, a colour and no sort of, with ties and shirts and suits. At Brisson Pacer asked me, it's time and I go out. He asked me if I'd see me dad, and if he's been a punk. Don't be so fucking nosy, and just leave me alone. Yes, you're only jealous, no daddy's of your own. Oh, my old man's a Provo, with a berry and a gun. I haven't seen him lately, he's always on the run. He looks so really trendy, his shades and the boots, for colour and no sort of, with ties and shirts and suits. On RTV last Friday night, Cock came on to say, please give us information about the IRA. He showed up Provo units and security TV. I know one was me now, for he stopped and waved at me. Oh, my old man's a Provo, with a berry and a gun. I haven't seen him lately, but he's always on the run. He looks so really trendy, his shades and the boots, for colour and no sawdust, with ties and shirts and suits. My daddy's got me worried, I think he's going soft. There's a half a ton of fertilizer stored up in our loft. Are you going to be a farmer, Pat?
No!
Hey, yes, and just for fun. Don't be a fucking native, as a coffee grinder's son. Oh, my old man's a Provo, with a berry and a gun. I haven't seen him lately, he's always on the run. He looks so really trendy, his shades and the boots, for colour and no sawdust, with ties and shirts and suits. At Christmas time it's lonely, oh daddy's not at home, and the Brits are watching everywhere, they've even tapped their phone. As Christmas Eve they sticks out our windows and our doors, they're climbing down the chimney, came a Provo Santa Claus. Oh, my old man's a Provo, with a berry and a gun. I haven't seen him lately, he's always on the run. He looks so really trendy, his shades and the boots, for colour and no sawdust, with ties and shirts and suits.
There's a wee sad verse here now, folks.
My daddy's up in long case, to me it's just not right.
That's not right.
I'll say a special prayer as I go to bed at night.
At night?
Well, today was his birthday.
Happy birthday,
I sent him in a cake, and Semtex and the candles, heavy up before I wake. Oh, my old man's a Provo, with a berry and a gun. I haven't seen him lately, but he's always on the run. He looks so really trendy, his shades and the boots, for colour and no sawdust, with ties and shirts and suits. Oh, my old man's a Provo, with a berry and a gun. I haven't seen him lately, he's always on the run. He looks so really trendy, his shades and the boots, for colour and no sawdust, with ties and shirts and suits. Oh, my old man's a Provo, with a berry and a gun. I haven't seen him lately, he's always on the run. He looks so really trendy, his shades and the boots,